Hi, I'm Lee, and I'm the FP&A Technology Director at Revelwood. This video is going to help you learn more about IBM Planning Analytics. In many situations, you'll have a Turbo Integrator script where you want your end users to run a process, but you want to create an easy way for your end users to do that. This can be done in the PAW environment via the use of a button. The way that we create a button in a PAW environment is we click on the option for button, and it will create a button. Once we've created that button, we then have the option to go into the properties, determine what our properties are within the button target, and we can make that button target into a process. Once we select Run Process, the system will allow us to determine which process do we want to run based on a list of all the available processes. So if I were to choose the process called Admin Add Group, I then have the opportunity to define my parameters. When we click on the option to set parameters, I'll see all of the components that were part of the original design. The parameter name, any prompts, what type, and it will also give me the ability to create a default. But some of the new features within the PAW environment will determine, do you want a prompt to even appear? A checkbox will allow me to either turn this on or turn it off. If the users have the ability to prompt, we can control how do they do the prompt. Do they fill it in via text? Do they have a list? And if I were to choose list, it gives me the ability to create a list. Do I do it off of an existing dimension? If so, I have the ability to select the dimension. Once I've determined the pieces, I can then also determine what do I want to happen to my sheet when I've completed. By turning on Refresh After Execution, it gives me the opportunity to change the data on my sheet or change the items in my selector. Buttons like this will simplify the tasks for your end users, and it will allow you to create a much more seamless user experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, or you can check out our website at revelwood.com.